So okay, next problem. A hollow steel tube 3.5 meter long has an external diameter of 120 millimeter. In order to determine the internal diameter, the tube was subjected to a tensile load of 400 kilonewton and the extension was measured to be 2 millimeter. If the modulus of elasticity for the tube material is 200 GPa, determine the internal diameter of the tube. Okay, so this is a problem on hollow steel tube section. So here the section will be hollow. So here the external diameter. So external diameter will be 120 millimeters. So it is required to calculate the internal diameter. So it will be small d. Internal diameter. You need to calculate the internal diameter. So here the tensile load is 400 kilonewton. So it will be 400 into 10 raised to 3 Newton, and extension, which means delta L. Delta L is 2 millimeter, and the modulus of elasticity or Young's modulus, it is 200 GPa. So it can be converted into Newton per millimeter square. So it will be 200 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per millimeter square. For a hollow section, we know the area. So it can be calculated as A equals pi by 4 into external diameter square minus internal diameter square. So here A equals pi by 4. So your external diameter is 120 square minus d square. So after solving this, you will get pi by 4. So it is almost 0.7854 equals 120 square minus d square. So this will be your area. Next, delta L equals PL divided by AE. Let me substitute the values. So delta L is extension. So it is 2. P is 400 into 10 raised to 3. So length of the material. So here length 3.5 meters. So it is 3500 millimeter. So length will be 3500. So divided by area. So this is the area, 0.7854 into 120 square minus d square. Okay, this is area. Next, your Young's modulus is 200 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, so here you need to calculate the d value, that is internal diameter. See here, for which, so 0.7854 into 120 square minus d square equals, so it will be 400 into 10 raised to 3 3500 divided by 2 into 200 into 10 raised to 3. So 0.7854 into 120 square minus d square equals. So if you solve this term, you will get 3500. So next 0.7854 into 120 square. So it will be 11.30 into 10 raised to 3 minus next 0.7854 into d square. 0.7854 into d square. So equals 3500. So next it will be, I will take this term to this right hand side. So minus 0.7854 d square equals 3500 minus 11.30 into 10 raised to 3. So here it is minus 0.7854 d square equals, so 3500 minus 11.30 into 10 raised to 3. So it will be 7800. Okay. So next d square equals 7800 divided by 0.7854. So let me check this value. So it will be d square equals 9931.24. So d equals square root of this value 9931.24. So finally you should get internal diameter d as 99.65 millimeters. So this will be your internal diameter.